Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili from a can. Heat a medium saucepan over medium heat and pour the canned chili in. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and bring it to a gentle simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili powder if needed. Add a splash of water if the chili is too thick, then serve hot with your favorite toppings. Warming up canned chili is a perfect time to boost flavor without extra hassle. Start by sautéing some diced onion and minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil until translucent, then stir that into the heated chili. Add a small splash of beer or beef broth to enrich the savory base, and stir in a spoonful of tomato paste or a dash of hot sauce to brighten the overall taste. Finish with toppings. Turn simple canned chili into a satisfying meal with minimal effort. Try shredded cheese and sliced jalapenos for heat and texture, or fresh cilantro for brightness. Serve alongside cornbread, tortilla chips, or over rice to stretch the meal and add comfort. A dollop of sour cream or a squeeze of lime brings balanced richness and acidity. These small additions elevate canned chili into something you are proud of.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.